Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh and Areli here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, standing behind the 203 NauticStar that we just got in. It's powered by the Yamaha 150. Let's go step inside and take a look. All right, guys, starting the bow of the NauticStar 203, you're gonna notice we have a lot of space. So a big thing with this dual console is it maintains the beam forward. So what that means is as wide as it is in the middle, it almost is up front, which gives you all this added space. And underneath both seats, you have plenty of storage for your belongings. Let's step back and take a look at the helm. As you take a seat at the helm, you're gonna have easy access to all your instruments. You have your gauges, simple rocker switches, and then your SIMRAD for navigation. Let's go take a step back and see what we got in the aft area. As we take a step in the back here, you're gonna notice we have a huge L-shaped seating area, plenty of seats for your occupants. You have storage for your table aft right here, as well as you have an insulated cooler underneath this seat. So this is the NauticStar 203, guys. Come stop by and check us out here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South in St. Petersburg, Florida. Come check us out, come give us a call, and we'd love to show you around. Have a nice day.